Hey everybody, Silverwolf here, and today's video is something a bit different because we randomly found one of these things in the local supermarket and I thought, hey, we'll pick that up because it looks weird. So apparently there's supposed to be like 7 surprises inside it, so I thought I would open it on a video because, I don't know, it's just a bit different. Not what I normally do, but I hope you all enjoy it anyway. So the shout outs today go to Divilbiss, YOLO Warrior, Trollface Trollol, Spooky Ghost Boo and Derek Figueroa. So, it's got this thing here, which is like a little zip thing so that you can undo the plastic. And it just says LOL Surprise, Pets. And it's got a picture of a cat. So I imagine there's something that looks a little bit like a Littlest Pet Shop animal inside it. And there's 1, 2, 3, all these little things that are listed here, I guess is what you get inside. So I will open this up. My nails aren't very good, unfortunately. I was peeling wallpaper yesterday in the bathroom and kind of ruined my nails. Okay, so right, there's some more. Okay. I've never actually seen these before, and we go to that supermarket quite a lot, and apparently this is series 3 of them. Come on. Doesn't really make it very easy, does it? It's supposed to be easy in principle, but it just kind of keeps tearing in all the wrong ways. Oh, it's broken now. Let's just open it. Oh. Okay, let's just kind of tear it off here. Oh, and then it just does that. Well, I have to say that the packaging is supposed to be easy to open, but actually isn't really. Oh my goodness. What's that? There's something in there. I'm just kind of unraveling it now, like, I don't know, an orange or something. This is really not going how it's supposed to. Okay, so we've got some little stickers there. Move them up close so you can see them. Oh, we've got some more stickers here. A dress and an arrow. I wonder, it seems quite Japanesey, this thing. I wonder if they came from Japan originally. And we've got yet another one of these plastic things, but we are sort of getting closer. There's a little cat there. And some items around, like a bottle and a what looks like a pooper scooper and a dog and some little shoes. So let's see if this works any better. There we go. This is what it's supposed to be like. It's supposed to peel back like that, so it's nice and easy, and then you just peel it off, and inside you have, after taking off 3 layers of plastic, a ball. It's got a hole in it. And it says LOL Surprise, and it's got little paw prints on it. It's quite nicely detailed, actually. It's got little patterns and all stuff all over it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow, it's quite a lot. So there's this thing here, and what have we got here? A little pink thing, and we've got one of these. Oh, this is probably to tell you what pets you can get. Quite a few there. Huh, I like the hamster with his blingy sunglasses. A chihuahua with the blusher. Oh, there we go. Shows you what pets you can get. There's quite a lot, actually. There's even more than on there. Some of them are kind of like silhouetted out, so I wonder if they're special. Glittery pet and things. So we have a bag. It says, "Get me out of here." That might be the pet. Owner's manual. Oh, we'll have a look at that later. Surprise inside, yay. That's what that one says. And there's another one here. surprise inside you. Oh, that's squishy, that one. Squishy surprise. And then there's something inside here as well, I can feel it. So, the owner's manual. It's probably in a million different languages, as these things often are. Or maybe in no language at all, it's all in pictures. So apparently you can make it cry by giving it its bottle, filling it with water, giving it its bottle, and it cries or spits it out. And if you put it in icy water, it's got a colour change feature. And then the thing at the bottom, oh, that clips on, that thing is a handle on the ball. LOL thing. Oh, it's like a little sand pit. I think there's like sand inside that bright pink LOL thing. Have a look at that later, wherever it's gone. I think it's under all this. So, let's open all these little bags then. So, we have a bottle. It's got Baby Goo Goo written on it. And then in this one we've got, if I can open it, something small. It's a pooper scooper, or actually it could possibly be like a little item to dig around in that sand pit thing. And then in this one we've got a pair of bat wings. Guess that's an accessory for the pet. So let's have a look. Oh, it's a little kitty. It does look surprisingly like a Littlest Pet Shop pet, actually. Little black cat. It's got posable legs. So, in here, once again, it's got one of those supposedly easy peel things on it. There we go. Thank goodness that went easily. So, there we go. It's bright pink sand. So I'm guessing I use this, and there's going to be something hidden in here somewhere. Let me just put it down. Have a good dig about in it. Where you can see it, the cat keeps falling over. There we go. Or maybe there's nothing in here at all. Maybe, I don't think there's anything in there at all. Wait, there is something in there. I've just dug up something. It's a tiny bracelet. Or it could be a collar, actually. This is quite different. I've never actually come across a toy like this before, where you actually have to dig for the prize. Is there anything else in there? I think that was it, actually. I think it's just that. Cool, it's like that kinetic sand you can get. Yeah, it's just that. So we've dug the pet's collar up from this bright pink sand in there. There we go. Oh, it's on upside down. There. Now she's got her collar on. Oh, put her little... How does this go on anyway? Oh, I see. It goes on her back. They're like... supposed to clip on her back there. There we go. It's Bat Cat. And then this is supposed to clip on here, I think, like that. It's pretty neat. So you can put everything back inside the ball and keep it all inside. So that was a little sort of unwrapping of the strange little pet things. I think it's quite cool actually. It's nice that there's lots of little bits and pieces that you can do with it, and it's got little stickers and whatnot. And the sand that you can muck about in. I've got to try and get all that back in there later on. How fun. So, there we go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this rather random and strange video, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to click any boxes that come up now. There aren't really any related videos to this because I've never done anything like this before, but there are some other fun videos you can watch if you want. Anyway, this is Silverwolf signing off, and I'll see you next time.